Time for the Domain Adelaide Property Report. New residential properties for sale increased 6% over the last 7 days. The strong numbers are likely to continue with the highest number of weekly new listings this year for Adelaide. The need for greater space and lifestyle additions is shining through as search terms for pool and garage make the most searched keyword list. The importance of a dedicated workspace remains a priority for many, with the search for study the 6th ranked keyword. And rental is the 4th most used keyword, reflecting the rising investor appetite for Adelaide. The current rental market is tight and prospects of capital growth are seeming to be appealing to many. Adelaide's auction clearance rate was the highest across the country at 89%. Sellers are utilising the strong market conditions to sell by auction as volumes continue to grow in popularity, with this Saturday set to become the busiest Saturday ever in Adelaide. Search through thousands of listings on Domain. Download the app today.